this is the end for you Doors fans out there. We have reached the largest milestone of this project. We have completed the bonus room. Check it out. We've gone through and painted all of the molding, and as you can see, it looks great. We finished it all. We even got into the closet here and was able to finish all the molding and fill in all the holes and so forth. And we even got the doorstop in. I only had to use one doorstop here because these doors, as I mentioned in an earlier video, overlap each other, and very rarely are both doors going to be open at the same time. But when you open it here, you can see it hits the doorstop a couple of inches into the door. When you open the one that goes into the furnace area, same thing's gonna happen. It's gonna hit a couple of inches on the other side. And like I said, even if it's open, it's just gonna be like this. Very rarely will that happen. Most of the time will be this door that's going to be open. So we won't have to worry about that. The fans are in, as I mentioned earlier. The Bextor station is ready to be set up. Curtain rods are done. The finished paint around the molding on the windows is complete. Doors in, sliding quite well. We've actually moved all of my equipment out to the hallway because we are going to start the next project, which is going to be project number 8, not 7, because if you remember project 7, that was the swing set that we did outside. But project 8 is going to be daughter number 2's room. We're going to rip out the carpet and continue on with the hardwood floors in there. And we've got all of our equipment out here ready to be started. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, the bonus room is done. And there's just one last thing to do. And that is my customary last doorstop that we have to put into place. And just sitting right there. It's got about 3 more turns on it. And we are going to do that right now. We have the wrench. I've handed off video duties to the Bextor. We've got about 3 or 4 more turns on the doorstop here, and then we are done with the bonus room. Let's do it. We're just gonna turn it and make it nice and snug. Starting to get tight now. Just a few more turns and we're done. We are done. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, on to the next project. Until next time, it's been a long journey. Over a year, about 14 months worth of work to get this beautiful room done. And what a huge milestone to get this complete. So we are going to say sayonara, good night, auf Wiedersehen, until the next project. So until then, peace out.